If you did not come to Astronomy in the Park on June 1st, this is one of the things that you missed. If you look carefully on the northwest, on the screen of Stellarium, a free astronomy software that I highly recommend, you will see something rising above this tree over there and going to Capella, which is the main star in Olga the Charioteer. Soon it will overcome Capella. Actually, it will go in front of it because this is the International Space Station. Now, this particular station is at 400-kilometer altitude, 250 miles up. And right now it is occupied by 5 men and 2 women. This is Expedition 71. And during Expedition 71, astronauts will be engaged in a variety of scientific experiments. They will conduct experiments in biology, physics, and material science. And that helps us better understand how space affects living organisms. And such as growing plants in microgravity, for instance. Very important if one day we have to grow crops on the moon. Maintaining physical health is very important, and there are experiments there on bone loss and muscle loss and had their impact on osteoporosis and muscular dystrophy on Earth. Of course, they will do the usual repairs of the space station. Let me accelerate the time here because I want to show you something more interesting. First, let me show you that I dim the light. This is the space station. Of course, it calls this several other things. If I do that, it's going to call it progress, or maybe it will even tell me about the SpaceX Crew Dragon. Here we go. You know, it was because there are all sorts of things that are attached to the space station at this point. So let me accelerate the time a little bit. I want to show you that we are very lucky that day. You see this little one here? Now this one is the Hubble Space Telescope. It is absolutely amazing to me that we had 2 for the price of 1. Okay, and this particular equipment, the Hubble Space Telescope, has had a very distinguished career. It has been in orbit for 34 years, okay, which is 24 years more than the space station. It has proved the existence of dark matter. It has studied gamma ray bursts, looking at so that it has determined that gamma ray bursts were due to massive stars collapsing to form 2 black holes. And it has also, thanks to its beautiful position in space, measured the speed of expansion of the universe. And that's what we have found, that the universe expansion is increasing. The speed is increasing, not decreasing. And that was a very big deal. And it did that with a study of supernova, one-like planet supernova. So let me accelerate the time to see where those guys are going in a hurry. Now you have seen the space station going next to Arcturus, and so will the Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope will end up in the east because of its orbit, and the space station will disappear in the southeast. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you. It's a very exciting time that we have so many of those beautiful things happening in space, and it's a pity you missed.